Did you know there are about 1.8 billion websites on internet? Hello everyone, in today's video I will teach you on how you can make your own website using HTML. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, we create content to help you to live a more productive and fulfilling life. In today's video, I will be covering the chapter 1 of HTML, the overview of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Languages are used to communicate from one person to another person, as we all know, and we communicate in different languages like English, Hindi, Tamil, etc. In the same way, we need a language to communicate with our computers and laptops. There are many levels of languages in which we can communicate with the computers. The levels of computer languages are low level or machine language, middle level or assembly language, high level languages. Low level machine language. Low level language means binary language like 0 and 1, used to develop an operating system for particular machine. Our machine understands only low level language, that is 0 and 1. Whatever commands are given by us to the computers are translated into low level or machine languages. The second type of language is middle language or assembly language. Middle language are written in English and it contains assemblers to translate English code in binary. That means machine language, used to develop an operating system for particular machines. High level languages. High level languages written in English and it contains compiler and interpreter to translate English code in binary. That means machine languages used to develop an application softwares. As we know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is the most widely used language to write web pages. As its name suggests, HTML, it is a markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. To learn HTML, we should know the basics of HTML. So let's start learning HTML and create our websites. Firstly, in learning HTML, we should know about what is tag. A text surrounded by angle bracket is known as tag. More concepts about tags. HTML tag means HTML is written inside the angle brackets, then it becomes a tag. Uses of tags. Tags are used to display our content on web page and it also defines the place of our contents. Important topics about tags. A tag starts with angular brackets and closed with slash. A tag, a start tag also called opening tag and closed tag also called closing tags. A tag must be closed with forward slash inside the triangular brackets. A tag marked our content to display them on web page. As we know about tags, it is also important for us to know about the various versions of the HTML. About tags, I will discuss later, but first, let us know about versions of HTML. HTML. In 1991, it was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. HTML 2.0. This is the second version of HTML. It was started on 1995. HTML 3.2 was developed in the year 1997. HTML 4.01 was developed in 1999 and HTMLX was developed in 2000 and the currently in use HTML version is HTML5 in 2004. Now we will know about the doc type declaration of HTML. Doc type declaration of HTML is a comment that tells in which version of HTML coding is done. There are many types of doc type declaration: HTML version 4, HTMLX, HTML5. There are different in different versions. It is different way in which the HTML doc type declaration is done. But currently, let us go with HTML5 doc type declaration syntax. The syntax is as given here. Always you have to do doc type declaration in HTML5 version. So, basic structure of HTML5 doc type declaration. There is an HTML tag, head tag, and inside head tag there is a title tag and then the body tag, and then we close the HTML tag and body tags. Remember, don't forget to close the tags after opening them. Let us now know about typographic tags. Those are heading tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the heading tags that are used in HTML. H1 is having the largest font size in all of them. Then there is a paragraph text tags. We use paragraph tags for describing the paragraph. Then centered tags. Centered tags are used to keep the text or content in the center. Moving text tags. For moving the text tags, we use marquee. The marquee tag is used to move the text horizontally across the screen. It is mainly used to deliver a specific message to the visitor or to scroll ads on the page. Attributes. We will learn about attributes in the upcoming videos. There are